Restore.
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 Restore can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, restore can mean 1. To re-establish, or bring back into existence. 2. To bring back to good condition from a state of decay or ruin. 3. To give or bring back that which has been lost or taken, to bring back to the owner, to replace. 4. To give in place of, or as restitution for. 5. To recover data, etc., from a backup. 6. To bring a note back to its original signification. 7. To make good, to make amends for. As a noun, restore can mean the act of recovering data or a system from a backup.
Any reality we are given is not set in stone. It can be changed. I come from Costa Rica, a country